Hi guys! Today I am going to share with you on how to remove the watermark in the KineMaster or KineMaster video editor app without spending money. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so to show your support and appreciation. Okay, so let us proceed and open that KineMaster app. Because I am going to show you the sample video using this free app that has watermark. Click that untitled video. There you can see the watermark. Okay, let us try to play this short video. Alright, so the watermark stayed there. And if we're going to try to delete that, that's what you're gonna see in your screen, asking you to pay $3.99 per month or $22.99 per year, which we don't want to do that because it is quite expensive. So let us click X. Then exit in this app. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is to uninstall that KineMaster app. Okay. Then go to your browser, click Chrome. Then type Panda Helper. Panda Helper. Click that first result, that one, okay? Scroll and click Download. Install. After we install the Panda Helper, click Open. Then search KineMaster. KineMaster. Click that first result. That's what we want to get, okay? Click Get. Allow. Allow. Alright, so it is now starting to download. Alright guys, actually, since we're using the Panda Helper, there are sometimes there are ads, but it's okay. Just click X or cancel it because you don't need to worry about that. We are using that to remove the watermark. Alright, it is now installing. After we install, click Open. Okay. Let us try to open or play the same video. Press OK. Start. Allow. Click that video. It's the same video that we played earlier. There you go. So there is no watermark anymore. Let us play the video. Alright, so the watermark is gone. It is just very easy, guys. Now you can create your videos without watermark. I hope that this video helps you save some money, of course. So please don't forget to leave comment below. Don't forget to click the bell button and give me a thumbs up. And I hope that you are gonna have a good day, guys, and enjoy vlogging, enjoy creating nice and creative videos. Have a good day. Bye, and thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.